Okay, so hi dear Libra, a very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal mid-monthly reading for all the Libra Sun Moon Venus rising from for the rest of the month of December 2024. I'm going to tap into your recent past, current energies, and near future, and we will see the guidance as usual, starting with the overall energy for this remaining days of December. Now, it's not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Okay, now let's start. Now, if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal reading consultations, you can check out the website. The link is given in the description box. And if you have any queries regarding that, you can mail me on tarotanjali@gmail.com. If you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. Again, the link is in the description box. You can just simply check out my website. You're going to get all the information about me, about my services, my courses, my workshops, and consultations, and like whatever. Let's start. Libra. Overall energy for Libra people for the rest of the month of December 2024 is, let's see. Hmm. We have the Queen of Pentacles, super focused on being grounded, being very calm, composed, and stable in your energy so that you can provide the same energies to others as well. So, being very much focused on being stable, energy wise, and mentally and emotionally as well. That is very good. Energetically, emotionally, mentally, being in a peaceful state of mind with yourself and with others as well. Let's see in the recent past what was happening. Knight of Wands, you were quite passionate about something or someone, and you were trying your best to go in that direction with all of your heart and soul. And you felt like you should just enjoy. Yeah, that's the deal. Currently, you are in this energy of Hierophant, growing spiritually as much as you can, consciously or unconsciously. You are listening to your higher self, you are listening to your intuition, and as a part of that, you're growing and you're on your spiritual path, knowingly or unknowingly. By the end of this month, we have the Ace of Swords, a lot of clarity, a lot of understanding, truth, some kind of truth coming out, and this is going to be like, this is what it is. Now, what you're going to do about it? Cool. Let's clarify these cards one by one. Let's clarify the Knight of Wands in the recent past for you guys. Libra. We have the Five of Cups, the Justice, and the Death card. Whoa. See, something happened in the past. I don't know how recent past or how distant past. That straight away put you into that energy of guilt, regret, and or pain, a lot of pain. And you felt like you should come out of that pain. You should do something about it. So you felt like you should start living your life to the fullest. Whatever happened, happened. You can't change that, right? But this is your energy, Libra. You finally decided to not let that one experience or let that experiences of failure, of guilt or regret stop you from living your life to the fullest, the rest of your life to the fullest, right? That was the deal in the recent past. Currently, you are on your spiritual journey. Again, this is the third, fourth time I'm telling you this. Let's clarify the Hierophant. Let me see what's happening. We have the Seven of Wands, the Two of Cups, and the Strength card. So even if there is somebody around you who is coming towards you with this kind of energy of, okay, let's be together on a in a committed relationship or marriage or soulmate kind of a dynamic. Basically, you are trying your best to stay away from love as much as you can because you are kind of tired of this game and you just want to be at peace with yourself. So you're growing spiritually instead of trying to find love from outside sources. You are going within yourself and you are trying to understand the true essence of love, the true essence of connecting with your own self, and the true essence of spirituality. Basically, you are learning how to go vertically, like towards the universal forces, universal blessings, and universal love instead of trying to find love outside of you. Okay, that's cool. Let's clarify the Ace of Swords. That's like what's happening by the end of this month. We have the Nine of Swords, the Moon card, the Fool card. See, it's like although you are going to be scared and although you are going to be stressed out about the next chapter of your life, but you are going to get the clarity within yourself that this is how it is going to be for the rest of your life if you're not going to change anything about it. You have the power to change your dynamics, to change the dynamics of your energy, to change the dynamics of your future with your own energies. No one else, Nothing else has the power to do that for you. So you are going to gain some kind of clarity, you are going to understand some kind of truth about your life within yourself, and you are going to take the leap of faith with the universe, knowing that maybe the rest of the life is going to be worse than what it was. Maybe it is going to be the happiest. Who knows? But I have to at least trust the process, trust the universe, and keep going, so that I can live in the real world, like I can live in the reality, I can live in the truthfulness of the situation of my life. That's pretty cool. Facing the reality basically, and loving your life, accepting your life the way it is, not trying to change it, not trying to do anything stupid about it, just acceptance and clarity. That's really, really cool. Guidance for you guys, the high priestess. Keep listening to your intuition, because your intuition is kind of guiding you to the right place in the right time, and you will be able to connect with like your soul tribe people, people who are going to help you to go to the next chapter of your life. Heal yourself properly, kind of a energy from other person's energies. Basically, meeting your soul tribe is on the cards for you, not right now, not immediately, maybe by the middle of January. But yeah, just keep going, have faith in the process, in the divine. And yeah, this energy of, okay, no matter what, I have to keep going, and I have to make the best of my rest of my life. This is going to help you meet your soul tribe very soon. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.